Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are diving into the Arzopa Z1RC, a 16-inch portable monitor that's making waves among content creators. Today we're gonna explore why this might be a perfect addition to your creative toolkit as well. Jumping to the inside of the box right away, we can see the monitor itself. We're gonna take a look at it later, including a mini HDMI to HDMI cable, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and a USB-A to USB-C cable, ensuring this monitor is compatible with a wide range of devices. As for the monitor, right here in front on this little sticker we have the main features: IPS, HDR, and of course the 2.5K resolution capable of 2560 by 1600, which is amazingly good. The Z1RC is also very light, just under 800 grams, and also very thin, just over or under 1 centimeter. Also, the Z1RC features a sleek metal chassis and a built-in adjustable stand for stable hands-free use anywhere. It includes intuitive side buttons, dual USB-C and mini HDMI ports, and plus built-in stereo speakers in both sides for a complete plug-and-play experience. The anti-glare matte display and the ultra-slim bezels all around offer an immersive viewing experience with minimal distractions. Another one of the standout features of the Arzopa Z1RC is how quickly and easily you can connect it. With the versatile USB-C and HDMI ports, you just plug it into your laptop, smartphone or gaming device, and it's ready to use almost instantaneously. In fact, setting it up typically takes less than 30 seconds, making it perfect for creators or professionals who need a hassle-free portable monitor on the go. In my case, this monitor fits perfectly into my workflow, providing me with extra screen space without adding bulk or weight. It's ideal for staying productive wherever I am, wherever I'm traveling, working from a cafe, or just switching between tasks at my desk. But not only portability, this monitor delivers impressive image quality with its 2.5K resolution, offering sharp and detailed visuals. Its 16-inch IPS panels covers 100% of the RGB color gamut, making it ideal for creatives who demand accurate color reproduction. The deep blacks, thanks to a 1200:1 contrast ratio combined with 500 nits of brightness, ensure clear visibility even in a well-lit environments. Plus, the wide viewing angles maintain consistent image quality from any position. The Z1RC supports both landscape and portrait modes, giving you flexible viewing options for any task. And when you finish your work or your task, packing up the Z1RC is quick and easy. Simply fold up the stand, secure the monitor, and you're ready to move to your next location in just a few seconds. Overall, the Arzopa Z1RC is an excellent choice for anyone needing a high-quality portable monitor. It combines stunning image quality, vibrant colors, and deep blacks with a sleek, lightweight design that fits perfectly into any workflow. Whether you're a content creator, gamer, or a professional on the move, this monitor delivers reliable performance and great versatility. So, if you value portability without sacrificing screen quality, the Z1RC is definitely worth considering. Check out the Arzopa's website to know more about this model.